How you doing? This is Brian Life. I'm working in DZine.ai, and I would like to show you how amazing the face repair tool is. Once again, I make a few videos on this topic, but I just can't get over how amazing it is. So as you can see, these eyes on my original image are quite distorted. There's some artifacts, and these are the eyes that DZine gave me. There's a few different versions. Now, the way I do this is you click on face repair and then you click the selection tool or brush tool if you'd like, and you brush in the area that you'd like to repair. And then just as easy as this, you type in a prompt: beautiful Latina brown eyes, black eyelashes, relaxed, tranquil, calm look, sensual expression. The slider is the preserve the original face all the way over to the right. So that'll stick very close to the face, almost identical. All the way over to the left is all based off of prompt and AI influence enhancements. Somewhere in the middle is a nice easy balance. So after I clicked generate, you would see in the results section there's a layers palette and then there's a results section. And it gives you 4 results after every time you do a process. These are 4 different variations of eyes. Earlier, my process, I got a few different other eyes. These I liked the best. Now there is a button in the corner, bottom right, called compare. This is the old original, and then this is the new. So you can click on, off before you commit and you actually like it, and you say, okay, I like this one. You're gonna double click and it'll place it onto the canvas. It'll place it onto the top of the layer stack. As you can see, there it is, and there's another set of eyes underneath which are beautiful just as well. Now the other feature that I'd like to show you in this quick video, as you notice, my image at 100% is pretty blurry, right? The first version of this image that I rendered out, it's an AI that was trained off of my original characters and girls and different female characters that I've painted for over 20-30 years with airbrush, digital art, and spray paint. So now I'm able to create my own new girls through AI. They don't always come out the best. Sometimes there's defects, and DZine is amazing at fixing and repairing nuances inside of a face, but also sticking to the integrity of what you originally had. Now, what they also have is an amazing feature called enhance, and this enhance will analyze your image and give enhanced details and strength and cleaning up the whole image. There's also a portrait mode, so when you click portrait mode, it really stays close to the exact portrait that was already there. So I have done that. As you can see right here, it's a bit blurry, and then when I click on the enhance, this is the layer of the enhanced. If you notice the lips, they're blurry right now. When I turn on enhance, they're much more clear. The eyes, very blurry, original, enhanced. Original, enhanced. Just amazing. And you can go further to actually export this 2x, 3x, 4x. You know, it's just amazing. So their enhanced feature is very powerful, very accurate, sticks to the lips. Some of the enhanced apps that are out there, competitors, they will change the lips, they'll open the mouth. They will not stick to a nice set of full lips like this. For some reason, they always like to open the mouth and add teeth. And DZine does not do that. DZine will not open the mouth, it'll stick to your original drawing and it'll just enhance it. I mean, amazing. So thank you, DZine, and if you're sleeping on this app, I really think you need to wake up. Go check it out. Take care.